Hey, if you have mobile network problem, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So we got actually two methods. The first one, we have to open settings. Next, we have to navigate for the more connectivity options, and we have to scroll all the way down until we find this function, reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and the Bluetooth. And thanks to this, we'll basically reset all network settings. So we have to just click here on this button, then input our screen lock method, and after this, the reset will be complete. In the most cases, it will probably fix your issues, but if you still have this problem, I will highly recommend you to back up all of your data, go for About Phone, and perform the factory reset of your smartphone. So you are going to restore all default settings, not only the network settings, and in the most cases, it actually works. So click here to erase all data, input your pattern, then follow on-screen instructions and perform the factory reset. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.